All right, Carnival Dream, here we go. 9435. It is a balcony room. Let's see what we got behind door number 1. 9435. Ooh, typical balcony room. Is it an antiquated bathroom? It is an antiquated bathroom. We have our shower curtain. So happy for that to stick to my ass later. We have our antiquated teal Carnival bathroom sink. Mr. No Pants are on the corner.
No Pants is pretty broken. No Pants has done a lot of things today.
But look, No Pants 25th cruise.
Well, let's get technical.
Technically, it says 26, but 25th, and you get a cool little white card now. You know,
I get to pretend to be Diamond for one cruise, and I get to be actually Diamond next cruise.
split beds, choose fun, and a balcony that smells like paint. I think they're painting. I don't know, but it really does smell like paint. But yeah, 9435. She's pretty basic. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen that video, but I am going to go look for the microwave. Oh, here we go. Here's the microwave right here. And let's see. Does ours work? Yep, our microwave works. There we go.
What are we cooking? I have popcorn.
Oh, let's make some popcorn. So, there you go. 9435. 35? Is that right? Yeah, 9435. All right.
Ooh, big closet.
Ooh, big closets.
Do the shelves
Life
collapse
jackets.
though? Do they go up?
That's a good question. Do they? Yes, they do!
Oh, good. So you can store luggage in there if you want to.
Ooh, you gotta take that out. But yes, it does. Woo! Very nice, very nice.